do with the violence that was witnessed in some parts of Meru during some exercises of Okolea, and there are also issues to do with whether the Okolea program uses public resources from the county government of Meru to run that private entity. And there are issues of whether the proceedings before the Senate are instigated by other powers that are outside the county assembly, and those issues were responded well to by the county assembly during their presentation and of their case yesterday. Just as we had indicated earlier, we were on the historical background of the impeachment process, and we can see there is quite a number of the MCAs from Meru County Assembly seated in the Speaker's Gallery today, and they are following the proceedings of the House. And just a reminder, yesterday there was a witness by the name Honorable Rindikiri, who is the member for Parliament of Bori constituency, and is the chairperson of the Meru Caucus for MPs, indeed present his evidence before the Senate yesterday, saying that there were issues of name calling in Meru County, and the issues of whether there were cartels and whether that term was referring to them was an issue that was raised in the Senate, and whether there was a nexus between that name calling and the members of Parliament from Meru County. And this happened, the name calling was said to have happened when there was a prayer rally in Meru County, specifically at Lare, that was presided over by and attended over by the President as well as the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. The legal team of the governor is already in place, and I can see we have Elias Mutuma, who is a distinguished legal practitioner, as well as Elisha. They are already in the Senate chambers ready to present their case. Just as we continue on the impeachment process in Nigeria, the impeachment process happens under the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The procedures for impeachment of the President of Nigeria and the state governors are basically the same, except that involvement of bicameral legislature in the impeachment of the President and a unicameral legislature in the impeachment of governors. You can see there is Reverend Kiogora, who is a distinguished man of the clergy from Meru County, is also in the chamber. And under the Constitution of Nigeria, that procedure for impeachment is provided for under articles under sections 143 rather and 186 of the Constitution. And unlike the American procedure, the impeachment procedure under the Nigerian Constitution is not initiated in the House of Representatives, but by a notice of allegation signed by at least 1/3 of the members of the National Assembly in both chambers of the National Assembly involved in considering the notice of allegation, and in resolving by motion supported by 2/3 of its members whether to investigate the allegation or not. A distinguished feature in the procedure under the Nigerian Constitution is the provision for an independent panel set up by the Chief Justice or the Chief Judge to investigate the allegations made against the office order. Thus, unlike the procedure under the American Constitution, where the entire process is carried out by the legislature, from inception to conclusion. The procedure under the Nigerian Constitution precludes the